Okay, guys. I'm not touching the ball with my hand. I'm stood away from the shelf, and there's literally nothing. There's the fanning on. The fan up there went on. Only the window's on. Can you make the ball flash again for me, Darlene, if that's you? Thank you. Appreciate that. I wanted to say good morning to all your spirits. Alexia, Annabelle and Darlene, good morning. I hope you're going to have a wonderful day today, because I know I am. Guys, this is just so amazing. I mean, it's just going off. It's just so amazing to see so active and so beautiful today. It's just so amazing. And there's nothing else up there that can knock the ball. This is just so amazing. I mean, I'm glad I bought her for that much. And I'm glad I bought all the dolls. Thank you for that. Oh. You dolls are so beautiful, you know that. Bless them, guys. I mean, I just adore them. Like, literally adore them. They're so beautiful. Can you make it flash one more time for me? Do you know, guys, as well, it was funny because when me and Ronald was in here, I think they were too shy and too sensitive to flash the ball. But this morning they like to play with it this morning, and I'm just so happy and so thankful. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, she wants to play the video. She's off again. Thank you, Darlene. Much appreciated. If it's Alexia, can you flash the ball? If it's Annabelle, can you flash the ball? Or is it the one and only Darlene can flash the ball? They love that ball so much, guys. I mean, they legit love it. Okay, guys, I'm going to go now. So, I'll see you in the next video, guys, and peace out.